competition in our school. It was a science competition and I chose to make a robot. So as you all know, a robot is a machine that performs tasks generally done by humans. So here I have named it Viking. So here Viking is a household robot. It's a floor cleaning robot. There are several important characteristics of a robot: movement, sensing, energy, and intelligence. So the things I have used to make this robot are two wheels which helps the robot to go forward, backward, turn clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then three motors, motor number 1, 2 and 3. All the wires from the motors are connected to the PCB. The printed circuit board. The printed circuit board is the most important part in this robot. All the wires are connected to it. So this big wire is connected to the switchboard. The switchboard contains two batteries of high watt 9 volts. There are two batteries. Here I have switches. The middle switch helps to clean the floor anti-clockwise and clockwise. And this button helps the robot to go forward, backward, turn. Now the body. I've used a box for its face and some mechanical parts from my toy set. For the base, the motor number 3 helps the sponge to clean the floor clockwise and anti-clockwise. So now I'll show you how it works. Front, backward, clean the floor, anti-clockwise, clockwise. Take turns like this.